Sai Ram to all. This one is the final presentation on the basis of the sixth chapter triangles. And in this presentation, we are going to solve the remaining questions of the exercise 6.5 on the basis of the Pythagoras theorem. This here, the converse of Pythagoras theorem is removed by CBSE board. It means that we have to solve the question which are based on the Pythagoras theorem. Then let us solve the remaining questions. And here I am taking the 11th question, and in this question this is given to you. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. And what we have to find, how far apart will be the two planes after 1 by 2 hours, means 3 by 2 hours. Then what we are observing in this question, speed is given, time is given, and if speed is given, time is given, then we have the relation distance is equal to speed into time, means we are able to find the distance. And if you are, according to the question, if you are drawing the rough diagram for this in the direction, and if you are using the formula, the relation distance is equal to speed into time, then what we are getting, we are getting this distance. Suppose at origin, if you are considering this the airport, and the two aeroplane leaves towards north and west, then we are getting the distance as 1500 kilometer and 1800 kilometer by using the relation distance is equal to speed into time. Then here we are getting 1500 kilometer after multiplying these two. Similarly, we are able to get the second distance due west. Then in the west direction, we are getting the distance as 1800 kilometer. Then if you are applying Pythagoras theorem in this, then we are getting AB is equal to, AB is the required distance, means the distance between the two aeroplane, and that we are finding. Then this we are getting as under root OA square plus OB square. And if you are putting the values of OA and OB in this, then what we are getting, we are getting under root 1500 square plus 1800 square. On making the square, 15 square is 225, 18 square is 324, and on adding and on finding the square root, we are getting the required distance between the two aeroplane as 300 under root 61 kilometer. And this is the distance. And let us, after 3 by 2 hours, the distance between these two plane is 300 root 61. Let us solve one more question. Here I am taking question number 13. D and E are points on the side CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC right angle at C. If you are reading the statement, then draw the rough diagram first. Then if you are observing the right angle is at C, then we are getting the required triangle as ACB, and D and E are the points on the side CA and CB. D and E we are getting here, and this we have to prove. AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Then let us solve this. If you are plotting the diagram for this, then we are getting the right triangle as ACB and D are the points. Then by applying the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ACE, how many right triangles you are getting in this diagram? And if you are observing, we are getting the right triangle DCE. The bigger right triangle we are getting as ACB, and one more right triangle you are getting as ACE. Then these three are the right triangles we are getting in this diagram, and if we have right angle triangle, then we are able to write using Pythagoras theorem. If you are applying, then in triangle ACE we are getting AE as the hypotenuse, then AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. And in the left hand side, if you are observing what we have to prove, then we need the sum of BD square and AE square. Then if you are considering the triangle BDC BCD triangle, then we are getting BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. And if you are adding these two, then what we are getting? In the left hand side we are getting the sum of these four, and in the right hand side we are getting AE square plus BD square. And if you are applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle CDE, then we are getting DE square is equal to CD square plus CE square, and this value we are getting here. CD square and CE square we are getting here, and also the sum of AC square and BC square we are getting as AB square in the right angle triangle, and AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. Then if we are putting these value in the equation, then we are getting the required solution as DE square plus AB square is equal to AE square plus BD square. Let us solve one more question. And the question is, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. We have an equilateral triangle ABC, and in that triangle we are getting a point D, and this point D is on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC, and we have to prove this. 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Many times this question was asked in the board examination, and 4 marks question this is. Then let us solve this question. Here I am considering a triangle ABC, an equilateral triangle, and I am taking a point D such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. And if you are drawing an altitude in any equilateral triangle, then this we have already discussed. If you are plotting an altitude, if you are drawing any altitude in an equilateral triangle, then that is perpendicular bisector. It means that in this given figure, if you are observing, then we are getting BE is equal to CE, or you may tell BE is equal to 1/2 BC, half of BC. Similarly, CE is also half of BC, and BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. This is given to you. What we needed AD. Then we are going to take this triangle AED triangle. Then AD square we are getting as DE square plus AE square. AE square we are able to find by any of the relation, but when we have to find ED, then how will you get ED in this figure? Then DE you may tell BE minus BD. Then in terms of BC, we have the value of BD. BD is equal to 1/3 of BC, and BE is equal to half of BC. Then easily we are able to find DE here. Then let us solve this. If this is a given relation, and if it is perpendicular bisector, then BE equal to EC is equal to BC upon 2. And if you are considering the length of the side of an equilateral triangle as A, then we are getting A/2 as the length of BE and EC. And AE we are getting as A√3/2. In question number 6 we have done this of this chapter. If you are finding the altitude in an equilateral triangle, then we are getting √3A, √3 into side. Then this we are getting as under root 3 into a by 2, because length of the side we are taking as a by 2. Then it is given that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. It means that BD we are getting a by 3. And DE, how will you get DE? Then from BE, if you are subtracting BD, we are getting the value of DE. Then on subtracting, we are getting the value as a by 6. Now if in the triangle, if you are applying Pythagoras theorem, then we are getting AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square in triangle ADE. And if you are putting the value and on solving, what we are getting? We are getting 7 upon 9 AB square, and if you are taking 9 on the other side, then we are getting 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Then on the basis of this, you have to solve some questions, the remaining questions in your fair notebook up to question number 17. Then next chapter we are going to start from 2nd of November, and the classes will also started. Sai Ram to all.